Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your OS to an SSD with Macrium Reflect step by step clearly. Open Macrium Reflect on your computer. Connect your SSD to your computer. Ensure the SSD is properly recognized by your system. Select the disk that contains your current operating system. Click on the Clone this disk option. In the next window, select your connected SSD as the destination for the clone. Review the partition layout to ensure it meets your needs. Adjust the partitions on the SSD if necessary. Click Next to proceed to the next step. Review the clone summary to confirm all settings are correct. Click Finish to start the cloning process. Wait for the cloning progress to complete. Once the process is finished, you will see a summary screen. Shut down your computer after the cloning is complete. Disconnect the original drive if applicable. Replace the original drive with the SSD if it is not already installed. Boot your computer and enter the BIOS settings. Change the boot priority to ensure the SSD is the first boot device. Save the changes and exit the BIOS. Restart your computer. Verify that the operating system loads from the SSD. Check that all files and applications are functioning correctly. If everything is working, you have successfully transferred your OS to the SSD. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.